Assalamualaikum and welcome to my cooking show. Today we got a special recipe, chicken tikka spring roll. So here are the ingredients. So we got 500 grams of chicken, some spring roll pastry, some red chili powder, chopped onion, lemon juice, chicken tikka masala, green chili chopped, some salt, garlic and ginger paste, some coriander leaves, and some mozzarella. So now let's start the marinating process. So we got some red chili, then we got the lemon juice, then you get the powder, salt, and most importantly the ginger and the garlic paste. So now let's mix. After mixing the chicken, we're gonna put it somewhere and leave it to marinate for 30 minutes. So it's been 30 minutes and here's the marinated chicken. So now we're gonna start with cooking. First we start with the oil. So now we're gonna put in the chicken. Alright. We're gonna also mix it. As you can see, it's starting to cook a little bit. We're gonna put it on a higher fire so that it can cook faster. So our chicken is ready. So we're gonna wait until the chicken becomes room temperature so then we can add the other stuff and shred the chicken. The chicken is shredded, so now let's add the other ingredients. Chopped onion. Then we got some green chili, coriander leaves, and some cheese. And now we get the mixing. Alright, so we have our mix ready, so now we're gonna put it in the roll. First we get some of the mixture. Alright, then we roll it. Oh, there's a little bit too much. Alright, now we put in the flour water. Just some water with any type of flour. Alright, now we fold it inwards. 1, 2, and we put a little bit more flour water mix. Then we roll more. There we go, and we got a roll. And now we're gonna continue with the rest. So I made these rolls, so now let's start frying. Let's get this one. Let's get this other one. As some rolls are still frying, let's do the taste test. We get a roll. Then, delicious. So please try this recipe and tell me how this went for you. Check some of my other videos and also sub, like, comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!